Hello all, this is Vasuki from Computer Science and Engineering Department. So in this video we are going to discuss about database management system. So under the topics are views, triggers, joins, constraints and storage procedure. So first one is view. View is nothing but, so it is a virtual table based on the result set of SQL statement. So which means in physical database we can see the rows and columns of the each and every database. So but in view, so all are consisting as an virtual table. So that is called as a view process. A view is it contains rows and columns just like a real table. So in real table, so how we can represent rows and columns? So in that cell we can insert a data. The same thing will be processed in view also. This fields in a view of field from one or more real tables in the database. So in database we can contain n number of databases called database 1, 2. It may be a student database or else library management or else college management databases. And you can add SQL statements and function to a view and present the data as if the data were coming from one single table. So that will be processed in a SQL statements. A view is created with the create view statement. The syntax is create view name as select column 1, 2 up to n number of columns from the table name. For example, if I am representing the table name as student, means that will be represent here. Where condition, we can apply the condition. For I am taking as a student database, means age should be greater than or less than in a particular condition. So that will be processed in this view. Then next one is how we have to create a view example. So let us consider one customer database called open book CV. So from this the customers are from Brazil country. Okay, so how we have to create view Brazil customer as select customer name, for example XYZ, and customer name ABC from customers. So here customer is a database name, then where country which is equal to Brazil. So this is the condition. What is the condition? Means country should be present from the data should be retrieved from the Brazil country alone. The next one example, select star from Brazil customer semicolon. So which means it will display what are all the customers are represented in the database from the Brazil country. The following SQL creates a view that select every product in the product table with a price higher than the average price. So here one more condition is applied based on the price category. The next one is example, create view product above average price. So which means highest price as select product name comma price from products. Here product is a table name where price should be greater than, then select average price from the products. So here what are the products list out, that products which is contained the above average price. So that will be displayed in the final result. The next one is a SQL create or replace view syntax. So here create or replace view name as select column 1, 2 up to 3, then from table name where condition should be applied here, then semicolon. The next one is SQL drop view syntax, drop view name, then semicolon. So here which kind of view name is a user defined one. So we can assign any view name for processing the database. Then next one is a SQL trigger. So here the trigger is nothing but processing of stored procedure in database that automatically invokes whenever a special event in a database occurs. So by using the triggers can develop automate tasks and ensure data consistency and database initiatives. For example, it can invoke when a row inserted into specified table or when table columns are updated. Thank you.